Consuming honey daily can have several effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on the quantity consumed and individual factors. Here are some of the potential outcomes. Energy boost. Honey is a natural source of carbohydrates, primarily in the form of glucose and fructose. These sugars provide a quick source of energy, making it a good option for athletes or those in need of an energy boost. Antioxidant properties. Honey contains antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants can support overall health and potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cough and sore throat relief. Honey has been used for centuries as a remedy for coughs and sore throats. It can soothe the throat and provide relief from irritation. Wound healing. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, and some types of honey can be used topically to help with wound healing and reduce the risk of infection. Digestive health. Honey may have a mild laxative effect and can aid in digestion. It can also promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Weight gain. Honey is calorie-dense and primarily composed of sugars. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain if it's not balanced with physical activity. Blood sugar levels. While honey is considered a better option than refined sugar, it can still raise blood sugar levels. This can be a concern for people with diabetes. It's important to monitor your blood sugar if you have this condition. Potential allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to honey, and consuming it can lead to allergic reactions, ranging from mild symptoms to severe anaphylaxis. Infant health. Honey should not be given to infants under the age of 1 year, as it can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, a bacterium that can cause botulism in infants. Dental health. Honey is still a sugar and can contribute to tooth decay if consumed in excess and not followed by proper oral hygiene. Quality matters. The health benefits of honey can vary depending on its quality and source. Raw, unprocessed honey is generally considered healthier than highly processed versions. Immune system support. Honey has antimicrobial properties and can support your immune system. It may help fight off certain infections and boost your body's ability to defend against illnesses. Skin health. Honey is often used in skincare products and home remedies. It can moisturize and soothe the skin, making it a popular ingredient in face masks and treatments. Allergies. Some people believe that consuming local honey may help alleviate seasonal allergies. The idea is that by consuming honey made from local flowers, you may build tolerance to local allergens. However, scientific evidence supporting this theory is limited. Heart health. There is some evidence to suggest that honey, particularly when used as a replacement for refined sugar, can have a positive impact on heart health by reducing risk factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. However, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Gastrointestinal benefits. Honey has been used traditionally to alleviate stomach issues, such as gastritis and acid reflux. It can help soothe the lining of the stomach and may provide relief from these conditions for some individuals. Mood and sleep. Honey may contain small amounts of the amino acid tryptophan, which can be converted into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that can affect mood and sleep. Some people find that a small amount of honey before bedtime helps improve sleep quality. Longevity and aging. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in honey may have anti-aging properties and promote longevity. However, the evidence is still limited in this